Hey there, barbecue aficionados. Welcome back to Product Critique,
your go-to channel for all things deliciously seasoned.
Today, we're diving into the world of mouthwatering turkey with a product that's set to revolutionize your barbecue game. Introducing the award-winning Kosmos Q Turkey Brine. But hey, spoiler alert, this isn't just any ordinary brine. Oh no, folks, this is the best barbecue rub for ribs and more, right here on the market. Picture this: tender, juicy turkey, smoked to perfection, with flavors that will have your taste buds doing a happy dance. That's exactly what you get with Kosmos Q Turkey Brine. Let's break it down.
With a blend of rich seasonings and spices, this brine mix is a game changer for any turkey dish, whether you're smoking, grilling, roasting, or frying.
And here's the kicker: it's made right here in the USA, with top-notch ingredients that guarantee unbeatable flavor. Now, let's talk versatility.
This brine isn't just for turkeys, folks.
It's perfect for elevating the flavor of chicken, pork, and even veggies. The possibilities are endless.
Here's how easy it is to use. Simply mix 1 cup of Kosmos Q Turkey Brine with 1 gallon of water, and let your turkey soak for 46 hours. Then, finish it off with your favorite Kosmos seasoning, and get ready for juicy, flavorful perfection. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: the taste.
And let me tell you, folks, it's off the charts delicious.
Don't just take my word for it. Our customers are raving about the undeniable flavor and moisture that Kosmos Q Turkey Brine brings to the table. Just listen to what they have to say.
So, whether you're gearing up for a backyard barbecue, a holiday feast, or simply craving some next-level turkey, Kosmos Q Turkey Brine has got you covered.
Say goodbye to dry, bland poultry, and hello to flavor-packed perfection.
Well, folks, that's a wrap for today's episode of Product Critique.
Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more mouth-watering reviews, and as always, happy grilling!